everyone.
Thank you for tuning in to Cook with April on Tasty Tuesday with our taste tester, Justin.
Hey.
Today we're making the easiest broccoli cheddar soup. Like, I promise you, probably the easiest you've ever seen. And it's pretty good, so stay tuned. So here's what you'll need. Some flour, butter, of course broccoli because it's broccoli cheddar soup, onions. This is optional, but I always like to eat eggs in my soup. That's just like a thing of mine. And of course some cheddar, cheese. This is half and half, and if you don't have half and half, you can use whole milk and some chicken broth and salt and pepper to taste. So let's begin by melting the butter. And once that's melted, we can saute our onions. Now you're ready to add your chopped onions. This is half of a white onion. I love that sizzling sound and the smell. We're gonna saute this for about a minute or two until we see that it's transparent. Now we're ready to add the flour. We're gonna mix that together like this. We're gonna want to brown this, so give it a good few minutes. Now you're ready to add the half and half, so let's go ahead and pour that in. Yes. I'm gonna increase the heat. I had it to medium and I'm gonna do it a little bit higher to a little past medium. Now we're ready to add that chicken broth. And now you're ready to add that broccoli. Simmer this for a good 10 to 15 minutes, and you're gonna grab that lid. After simmering it, you're ready to add that cheese. I like to just gradually add it. I like to add the cheese and mix, and then do the same. So you're gonna mix this until it's completely melted. And since you're mixing, might as well add some salt and pepper. Get that yummy goodness. Salt and pepper is to taste. So I usually just like to add my own salt and pepper to my individual bowl. Alright you guys, it's ready. Oh, I did want to mention, I just last minute add the hard-boiled eggs. I'm Filipino. I always love hard-boiled eggs with my soup. That probably sounds weird to you guys with broccoli cheddar soup, but for me, I love it. And Justin was like, "You're gonna add eggs?" And I'm like, "Heck yes, I am." Yeah.
Okay, this is better than Subway.
That is my. No, you didn't.
So
I
that
love
is
some
my
Subway soup.
That's
okay.
my standard. That's like the only place, the place that I like eat broccoli cheddar soup the most. You know. This is really good. I guess that's not a, maybe that's not a good standard.
No, I love me some broccoli cheddar soup from Subway. Here's the thing. Usually broccoli cheddar soup has grated carrots and celery. I like broccoli cheddar soup, just broccoli and cheddar, and some onions because I feel like onions really gives it good flavor. But I didn't do the carrots and celery.
This is really, really good.
Add the egg, eat the egg.
But I wanted to delete those for you because I know
need that Filipino egg.
But I know that.
No, he just doesn't want to.
That's not true.
How are you going to be a real taste tester if you don't want to try it my way? Right?
That's actually really good.
Yay!
And you know the other thing?
You like it.
You guys know if you ever get broccoli cheddar soup, you get these like little minuscule pieces of broccoli in there, right? Like a lot of times it's not, they don't put that much in there, but these are like big hunks of broccoli in here.
Yeah.
So this is very legit.
Legit, hearty.
Very hearty. The onions are like bigger. Just in general, this is like really, it's really good.
Thanks. Thank you so much. Anyways, friends, definitely try it, and if you do, DM me a picture on Instagram or email me at AprilBina7, and my Instagram is AprilBina7 too. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.